SEO-friendly content is something many want to achieve to showcase their trust and expertise. This alone won't help you rank on that first page though. Instead, you need that extra pizzazz. In the SEO world, this comes in the form of a topic cluster model. What is a topic cluster? Topic clusters, also called cluster pages, are a group of subtopic pages and come hand in hand with content pillars. And content pillars are effectively the foundation for the entire strategy, serving as a mother of all resources for a specific topic. So incredibly important, really. However, they can't survive alone. The pillar pieces of content don't dive too deep into details. There's plenty of room left to expand on the topics, and so this is where topic cluster models come in. Working hand in hand, a topic cluster will expand the points spotlighted in your pillar pages. A topic cluster model presents you with the chance to target more relevant keywords, minimize bounce rate, increase backlinks, not to mention a great way to organize your content. Music to your ears. So how do you get started? For a great topic cluster model, you need to pick the topic pillar you will build around, then look at your current content to see what can be used, conduct keyword research, you need to optimize your content well, SEO matters just as much still, and now comes the fun stage. You need to produce your cluster and pillar pages. Then, as the last puzzle piece, you will need to link everything together. With all of these steps carried out, you will have your very own topic cluster model on your website. To find out more, check out our blog on topic clusters for the best outcome.